Hey guys, welcome back, and if you are new here, I am Rizza and this is your channel for a productive and sustainable lifestyle. So if you are into productivity, sustainability, and skincare, I upload videos every week, so make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you'll know when a new video is up. So today's video is about my July favorites, and we will separate it into 5 parts. First is skincare, next is makeup, third one is books, fourth is about home because you know, your tita, and the last one will be apps or websites that I like. So our first category is skincare because I super love skincare. You all know that. Yung una nating product today is the CosRX BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. Nakita nyo na to sa skincare video natin. I'll link it up here and down below. And it's a BHA Blackhead Power Liquid that helps remove blackheads and controls excess sebum while moisturizing the skin. What I love about this is naka-help talaga siyang magtanggal ng blackheads and whiteheads ko dito sa area na to. Kasi ito talaga yung problem area ko. And then our next product under the skincare category is the Lana pH Soothe and Hydrate Gentle Cleanser. It looks like this. We just released this. This is the latest product from Lana PH and I super duper love this. I used this for months and I have been super loving it ever since. It has oat protein, niacinamide, and vitamin E. And this really helped minimize my pores and feeling ko mas smooth yung skin ko. So you can see it on the website. I'll put it up here and down below as well. And then ang next category naman natin is makeup. So for the makeup category, my July favorite is this BLK Cosmetics Creamy All Over Paint and Daffodil. Hindi ako masyadong ma-makeup na tao. In fact, sobrang tamad ko mag-makeup. This one was recommended by my wedding makeup artist and I use it for my cheeks, for my eyes, and for my lips. So it's very convenient. And as mentioned before, sobrang hindi ako mahilig mag-makeup. So if I only have one product to use all over my face, then why not? Since I also have sensitive lips, I use a lip balm before putting this one sa lips ko. Kasi, I don't know, it's just my lips maybe. Pero sobrang sensitive talaga niya. Sa ibang products, as in nagsusugat, nagda-dry talaga siya. And isa sa mga tips yon to maintain your lips, to make it really soft and hindi siya ma-irritate, put on either petroleum jelly or lip balm, or for me, I use Lucas Papaw. Papaw. Yun na naman. So, eto siya. Ah, wow, may patakip-takip pa. Vlogger na vlogger. Next category naman natin is books. I'm more into self-help, business, and marketing kinds of books. And I'm trying to read at least an hour before bed. And I also try to read at least an hour after waking up. And ito naman yung mga books na natapos ko this July. I don't know, but I'm sometimes drawn to books na, pasensya na, may nagko-construct ata dito. Hindi pala ata, pero sobrang ingay niya. Hindi ko sure kung naririnig nyo, pero lagi yan kapag mag-film kami. Laging maingay. Yun na! So, ito yung unang book na natapos ko this month. It's called F Feelings. It's by Michael Bennett and Sarah Bennett. I love this book. It's a self-help book. And na-explain niya na dapat you don't have to let your feelings control you. And life is really hard, but we have to just get over it and move on and live life and enjoy the journey. So, it's a book I would recommend, and yeah, this is really nice. Yung next book naman na nabasa ko, sobrang ganda nito. Nabasa ko lang to within 2 days habang nagbabantay kami sa bazaar sa Good Trade. So it's called Unf Yourself, Get Out of Your Head and Into Your Life. It's by Gary John Bishop. And this one naman is a very easy read. It's a self-help book about getting out of the rut. And it's about motivation. And it also has quotable quotes. Habang binabasa ko to, meron akong notebook beside me well, actually notes sa phone beside me. It has a lot of quotable quotes, and I bought this from Fully Booked. It's on sale. Hati kami ng sister ko. So, it's time, since tapos ko na siya, it's time for her to read this. So yeah, I also highly recommend this book. Now, let's go to the app category. Yung first one sa app category natin is Blinkist. Actually, this can also be under books kasi it's an app with 15-minute reads na ipapakita na sa inyo yung gist ng book. So, it's really helpful. Meron din siyang audiobook. So, I listen to this when I drive or when I go to the mall, sa mga errands, bank errands especially because it's so boring. Actually, 2 years na akong subscribed dito and I have been loving it since forever. So, yan. Blinkist, you can download it sa iTunes or Play Store. The next app I love is GCash. Actually, yung pinaka-favorite part ko sa GCash app is yung latest feature nila which is called G-Forest. So, with GCash, diba, you can transfer funds, you can receive money, you can pay bills. What I like about GCash, just G-Forest, is it tracks your activities, and kapag nag-send ka ng money or naka-receive ka ng money, it tracks your steps, and kapag nakakuha ka ng certain number of energy, you can actually plant a real tree. So, download the app and you can see for yourself. The last one under the tech and app category is Asana.com. It's a project management tool na I have been loving recently kasi it stores your to-do lists, you can manage your projects, tapos pwede ka rin maglagay ng mga team members wherein makikita nyo kung ano na yung status ng project nyo. You can also assign certain members for your tasks. And the last category for today is home because, you know, as you all know, titang-tita na ako. Our first product under the home category is this mini saw tumbler. Look how it's so cute. Sobrang texture din niya, and not to mention, it's very affordable. I bought this around 399 pesos. And fun fact, I collect tumblers, and this is my joy. It looks like a Swell tumbler, which is way higher. Grabe yung price point ng Swell. Although I also love Swell. Pero ito, mas affordable siya. Double-walled din siya. So it can also hold hot and cold beverages. It's so cute. And next naman for the home category is this Messy Bessie Mint Orange Surface Cleaner. Binili ko na siya ng mas malaki kasi merong mga individual bottles pa to. And I loved it so much that I bought 2 liters siya. I use this pang linis ng CR, pang wipe ng mga tables. I also love the smell. It smells citrusy. Woo! May party sa tapat namin. And then if you have been following me on Instagram, you'll know that I super duper love this label maker. Yes, taray, may paganito-ganito. So there. It's a Motex label maker, and I went crazy about labeling all the stuff in my kitchen, and very tita na. So I bought this from Shopee. Can't remember how much, pero feeling ko mga 300 plus or below. And my tita essentials will never be complete without essential oils. Na-mention ko na to sa previous video ko na I've been loving essential oils so much right now. And isa sa mga favorite ko this month is Young Living's Peace and Calming. Looks like this. It's an essential oil blend that I diffuse every night, and my sleep is so much better. Minsan, hinhalo ko siya sa lavender, so super duper tulog talaga ako. Ito yung diffuser na ginagamit. So I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I had fun filming it, and hopefully I can do this every month. Thanks again, sending love and light your way. I appreciate you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. So those are